Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and I am at Xaqqa Cliffs. Hope you can see the view from here. As always, I have to thank my sponsors, which are Zoleo, who will sponsor all the 2024 and keep me safe and peace of mind, just in case something happens. And also JM Motor, and a nice car dealer in Malta. Yeah. It's very, very windy, and today we're going to do some abseiling, me and Angelo. Hopefully, Paka will join us as well. Today it's Angelo's turn to rig the rope, and as always, we will check everything after him. So let's see what he's doing. And say hello to our friends.
Hello, today we're doing abseiling, as Pierre told you. I am doing the...
He's rigging and as usual, we rig everything double. You can see the carabiners here with the bolts.
Over here.
And
this angle, it's about 45 degrees.
And some people, when they see the strings, show them with your hand on how thin they are.
This one,
They are like shoelaces, but these are around 2,000 kilograms in weight. They have, and everything is doubled. So that's why we are rigging like this. This is the place we are going to abseil today. Since we didn't abseil lately, we're going to start from the 25 meter height. And this is the view of Xaqqa Valley. It's amazing, yeah. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to clip in the line as well. And what we always do, if I rig or Angelo rigs or Angelo's going down, we always double check everything. So first I will check that these are logged in, these are logged in, these are okay, this is perfect, this is good. Now I have to check you here, Ange. The harness is okay, carabiners okay, and this is okay. Everything okay, and I'm clipped into the line. We always do this, so when I will go down, he will double check me, because safety is the most important.
Always first.
So
we have our lives on this.
So what we do, we start going down. I get you the rope, so you throw the rope and we start going in. So everything checked. Angelo's going down, so I give him the rope, so he will throw the rope down. Disclaimer that whoever wants to do this, we did a course with a trained professional, and so don't just buy the rope and try to do these things. There's a lot of safety features you need to follow.
Rope!
Angelo started his descent, I don't know. This is the easiest part, the easiest route, because we always start from here when we will be not abseiling for a long time. We also rig the rope up there so we can safely climb up the dam. Angelo has the last 3 meters to go down. And like this, sir, you can see the beauty of this place. I am also tied to a rope, so just in case, because it's very windy today as well. And now there's Angelo, and he will start going up. As a safety precautions, this time we opted to use ascenders, which are clipped to our harness, just in case we slip or something. If we have safety, it's better we use it always. So now it's my turn to rig in. First thing that I do is always clip in as safety. So I will grip my main line. Now first I will put in my ATC like this. And this one important that goes in both like this, and here is tight like this. I am ready. Now I have to put in the prosec loop This is just like an insurance policy, just in case something happens to me, I get unconscious, I got hit by a rock, so it will break my fall. Like this, and this one goes here, and this goes. So, well, you see, this one I can remove now. I unclip. So again, I check that here everything is still tight. Good. Now I'm on the rope and I check that the prosec loop, I'm not on this one, I am on this one, and I'm okay. Now Angelo will come and check everything that's okay and give me the okay that I can start going down. Alright, Angelo's checking everything again, so that everything is logged. Always double check everything, and he even will check my harness and everything. So that harness is logged. He's checking well. Okay, there you see. Well.
This one should be a bit
okay.
okay. And that one
Is the procedure?
And this one is locked.
And I have everything okay. So I can go down, Ange.
You can go down, Pierre.
Here is a beginner's route, just to brush off the skills again, because at the end, if you make a mistake here, it can be deadly. And this is the real descent. Well, I'm going to spread a little bit my legs because I'm more stable like this. It's very, very windy. This is the view I'm getting from here, abseiling with Xaqqa. This is the 25-meter marker. You can see the valley. It's very, very windy today, but it's an amazing valley. Let me show you better. This is like 86 degrees of myself. Now we are going down. It's that simple when things are done right. I just check that everything is okay. It's very, very windy. And the more I lean back, the more stable I am. Today I'm with Angelo, as you saw. But look at the views. Look how nice it is here. What can one ask for more? Here, the sun going down. How beautiful it is. And now, the last 6 to 9 meters. Just in case something happens and the rock falls, I break an arm. This will stop my fall. Amazing, yeah. You have people there doing some abseiling as well. And now I am on the ground. Nice, Now let me show you from where I went down, and this is just the 25-meter mark. Well, we're going down here. This is the very, look how nice it is. Amazing, And now we just have to slowly walk up there, go up the dam and walk again up here. And hope you are enjoying this vlog. First I remove the carabiner, then the ATC, then next thing I have to do, remove the carabining of the prosec loop, like this. Then once I remove everything and the rope is free, I can call Angelo, off the rope! And like this, I can start going up. This is the climb going up. Nothing big, It's like a dam here, so take care that when it rains here can be dangerous. And there is the rope I fixed earlier, so it's much safer to go up. Today we decided as a safety measure we use our sandals just in case we slip. It's not an issue. And like this is much safer. This marks the end of my vlog. Me and Angelo, we really enjoyed.
It was nice.
It was a refresher for us.
Refresh,
because
it was a long time.
We are getting rested, so keep tuned, because when abseiling we're going to do something more nice. The more we go, we can progress a little bit more. Today was something easy, but it was super windy, so it's better like this. So now, Ange, let's go and put everything in our bags, because we have everything we have to put away and go to eat, because I'm very hungry, Ange. Because the rope was telling me each time, diet, everyone I go, diet. That's all the time.
And we had a super sunset, today.
Yes.
No, it's
Let me show them. The sun is going down. It's like super cloudy now. It's going to
but
to
we
rain.
had a super sunset,
But better we go home, because if it rains, we have a mess with the ropes.